This is a comparison video. I'm comparing this 2-in-1 sleeper, boneless sleeper sofa bed. It's kind of like a Loveseat vibe, comparing this to most other couches and convertible sofas like it. So there are three things here, and these are the three things I think make this sofa bed better than most others in this category. Number one, versatile 2-in-1 convertible design. So typically when you're getting a boneless sofa, it doesn't do anything. You're just sitting on it. This one can actually turn legitimately into a bed very easily, and it has a legit kind of memory foam mattress vibe. You don't feel like you're laying on the floor. You feel like you're laying on a mattress. So that is definitely really nice. And then the cool thing is when you actually sit this back up into the couch, this padding is more like a couch. It's really soft and plush. So the 2-in-1 vibe is definitely a big selling point that differentiates it from most other boneless sofas. So number two, comfortable and breathable fabric with stylish tufted look. As you can see, it has that tufted look like with the pillows here, but you also have that like corduroy vibe. So just really nice. The frame is really nice, and then the padding of the seat cushion itself is really nice as well. And you're not going to really get that kind of detail with most others in this category. So my final point is ready to use with no assembly. Literally, dude, you won't believe it. If you've never gotten one of these before, they come in a relatively small box. You cut the package open, and it just blooms and blossoms really quick into this really nice two-person love seat. At the end of the day, I think this is the new way to do couches. So when comparing this to most other couches, love seat kind of vibes in this category, I would say the plushness and the comfort, the fact that you can also turn it into a bed that's actually has a legitimate like mattress to it, mattress kind of vibe to it. This just makes it a no-brainer.